Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today it's all about, let me just introduce you to Dermalogica, which is one of my favorite skincare brands. And this is some of their newer products that I'm loving so far. Body hydrating cream, which is like their lotion. But what makes it a little bit different is that it's French lavender and Indonesian halucha that calms the senses. When you put it on, it's just like super relaxing, super hydrating. And you just feel like you're in a spa and just like zen mode. So that's why I love their body lotion. This other one is similar, but it's their, body wash. So obviously after you body wash, then use the lotion to, continue the zen, continue the spa feel and treatment. Here's another one, which is their super rich repair, which is basically a heavyweight cream that helps replenish your skin's natural moisture levels so that they could like defend against environmental assaults. It says right here. I generally have drier skin, so whenever I wake up as well as whenever I go to bed, I always use a cream. This one is just like super heavy cream. I don't always necessarily when I wake up need to use cream anywhere because of this heavy cream at night. Finally, we have their Phyto Nature Firming Serum, which is super cool. One of their best products. It basically sheds years off your skin and makes it have more youthful, more natural, firmer. I naturally have always had eye bags like ever since I was a kid, and so like this has been helping me firming up the under eye area as well as just in general. I use this Phyto Nature technology that is plant derived and to help visibly tighten skin. It's not necessarily specifically used for like under eye, but just makes it lift and makes you feel a lot firmer and tighter and all that stuff. Out of these 4 products, which one would you use and why? Or which one do you need the most and why? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to purchase it, check out the link below. I'll see you in the next video if you like unboxings. All right, bye.